what are we talking about?
We are about to talk about, I don't know, we just gonna eat right now. And then whatever we talk about is whatever we talk about, because we about to do a mukbang. So,
That's what we about to do?
I guess so. So I guess we just gonna talk about whatever we talk about, right? But
You can go like that. You can go like that.
you can go like that.
That's not funny.
My lips feel dry, like. Hello.
Okay, look. What?
Eat your food, please and thank you. Anyways, just like one of our mini at first. I said mini at first. Huh, Taylor, what's it's a what?
Whoa, I was eating too fast. I felt like I almost died.
This is one of our first of many YouTube videos to come.
Some of that.
We are going to be posting more. We said this before. Hold on, let me lock the doors because we in the hood. Well, I know I said this before. But that was 2 years ago. We back up on this thing. Your little greasy ass fingers.
Stop playing, I'm thirsty. Come on, I'm thirsty. Yep.
Anyway, guys, what have we been up to?
Nothing.
Trying to get our life together.
For surely that one. Don't be laying
Some
your sauce on my stuff.
It's a rapper. We ain't gonna hurt nothing.
Yes, it will.
They whole got a lettuce in my shit.
A lettuce.
A lettuce.
That's what I be talking about. Part of it's having you want your meal for free. I'm coming back to get our money.
It was only the $2.
So, I'm going for the 50 cents. I want it back.
Y'all, why I asked them for a cinnamon twist, right? Oh, they didn't put a cinnamon twist in there, though.
My butt hurt.
After he went over our order, we only got like 4 items. But he gave me a free one. So he said, okay. Stop saying your butt hurt.
Please.
That's why I'm gonna put that in this video.
No, we are not. No, you're not, Mom. But it really do hurt. You gotta eat. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm about to give us something
To be honest,
talk
y'all,
about. Let's talk about.
I've been wanting to start YouTube for so long.
That.
Oh, you're nasty.
No, we're not gonna talk about that. That wasn't supposed to happen. That was nasty.
Oh yeah, I never heard you really burp that out.
Edit that out. I know.
No.
I've never really burped that out before. That was a 10.
But okay, why y'all got y'all brights on first of all?
Cause they want to.
It ain't dark.
Maybe they can't see. Better than how they bright.
Anyways,
Don't interrupt me.
but you saw food. Anyways, though, I've been wanting to do the videos again. Cause I mean, I pranked her once. She done pranked me a couple times. She done got me good a couple times, but
Off camera.
yeah, like she'll never just pull out the camera, and if she do, she make it so obvious, like to where the point I just come in like, oh, you trying to prank me?
That was hot. That's not funny, bro. That's not funny. That was really hot.
But y'all, I'm leaning in this camera because I don't know if I'm really in the frame or not. Because, you know, I'm using a photography camera for real. Until I can get that little wide range. Then when you want to pop it, you feel me? Or I can get a little vlog camera, then we cool. You feel me? Anyways, we get off topic. I've been trying to do this YouTube, like start back up YouTube, but it just be hard because I don't know what pranks to do on her, so y'all gotta give me like some suggestions.
Well, keep going.
They gotta give me some suggestions. And then I'd be scared to do pranks on her because she'd be wilding, man. She'd be wilding out.
No, I don't.
Oh. Lie again.
I didn't lie the first time to lie again. Oh,
I should hit you in the face with this burrito.
no, you shouldn't.
But, yeah, I just been like, I don't know, I've been scared to like talk to a camera. Like, I don't feel comfortable talking to a camera by myself unless I'm just like high off of energy. It's like just up and giggity and goofy and just all that type of silly, and that's when I want to pull out the camera and just talk to the camera. But other than that, it's just weird to be talking to a camera. It's chicken, nigga.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Okay, yo, I'm gonna start talking while I get done eating. I'm hungry.
This thing hard right here, bro. For real.
Well, I don't know what's wrong with this either, but that's why I was looking at it.
I'm about to start going to the campus, son.
For real.
First of all, they charge 20 cents less for a side of sour cream.
Oh my god, just a side of cream.
TacoBell up here be like 60 cents.
Like what? That's a huge jump.
They gonna be like 20 cents. Nigga, we broke. Dollar food, 60 cents versus 40.
40.
You can scrape up 40 pennies. 60 pennies looking like a lot. You feel me? You feel
Looking
me?
and feeling like a lot.
Hand be weighing 2 pounds.
Okay, I'm done with it. Don't put that camera on me.
I didn't.
You don't even got it in your hand to put it on me while I'm talking. That shit was nasty at the end. I'm done eating now. It's a wrap.
Baby. Is that everybody? That's why we don't eat shit now.
What?
That's why we don't eat shit now.
Why?
Because you eat something bad one time and you're like, I'm done.
For real. They don't never taste the same again to me no more.
Some people just be having bad days. Like your mom made that bad spaghetti that one day.
Yeah.
They was just off.
Well, you can't be off of me. You gotta be persistent every trip or I'm gonna be done with you. Period. Period. I don't got time.
You don't be done with your mom's food when she burned the chicken.
Oh, no, that's just burning the chicken or something.
Or when it don't be
Not it
seasoned
tastes
enough.
completely different.
How about
But
the
that's
time
chicken.
she ain't
Chicken, I'm gonna
seasoned
eat
enough?
that regardless.
What about the rice?
I don't be eating that shit.
You do.
But rice is my favorite. That's that's my favorite. I'm gonna eat that regardless, whether it's sticky. I'll be eating even the
And these the
Chinese
cheap shit
rice.
that we got when we ain't got no money.
Well, I'm not eating that shit no more. I'm not eating that no more. It didn't taste right.
Why is you over there, first of all?
It didn't taste right at the end. Okay, I'm about to talk about something. Okay, this is what I'm about to talk about. I don't know.
Basically what I was saying before was,
Don't pay attention to her. Pay attention to me.
it says the way that looks like she's about to shit.
Leave me alone. Okay, no, for real, I'm really about to talk. Okay, we can talk about,
This time this lady tried to tell us that these Sada Baby tickets was fake.
oh my god, okay.
Now,
You look ugly. So we was in this group or whatever.
I ain't throwing shade or nothing.
I'm throwing a whole bunch. No, but we ain't even got no shade. I was about to put some. Oh, too bad I got my coat on because I was gonna put it up. But what's her name? Oh, I don't know. We was in this group. I would say it was it was a party promotion group or whatever. You know, we went to parties and we messed it up real quick. Stuff like that.
Yeah.
I can't stand her. That's not
Hey,
fun.
them parties used to be
They
going
really
though.
was fun.
Cause
but
I mean, we had a little group. We had a good group of like 20 people.
I'm telling you, we was doing before parties, the partying, and then the after party.
The camera started shaking like, yup. Yup. The camera even said, yup. Look at the camera, yup.
It was shaky. So, okay, the girl, she's the basically CEO of the group or whatever. She, put the group together or whatever. So, Saturday Baby was supposed to be coming. You feel me? And, we had to be there. So, we was selling the tickets or whatever. This young lady, oh no, she's not young.
No, she's
this
not young.
older lady.
Yes.
Gonna try and sell these tickets for more than what they was. She was trying to wax people out here. First of all, I'm not even gonna say she was trying to wax people out here. She was trying to have us waxing people out here, and we ain't even know.
For real.
And I wasn't messing with that. I'm not about to be selling nobody no tickets.
We really in a small city. It ain't like small, but everybody know everybody. Literally, everybody know everybody. It ain't no big city, so like if people would have found out, oh, we were selling these tickets for more than what they could have got them from where they were supposed to be selling them at, they would have gotten us like, why was this place selling them for 20 and y'all was selling them for 30?
Yeah, not happening. We wasn't going for that. So period point, like we hit up the person, the club owner. That's how the baby was going to the club. That's how the baby was going to. We hit up their owner or whatever. Ended up getting in contact with him, talking to him or whatever, and
he told us the real.
Period point blank. She was trying to have us out here looking a fool.
Selling
and then when we ain't trying to give her the tickets back, bro.
She told us they was fake.
They was fake, and to bring them back to her. But bitch, if they fake, why you want to fake them tickets?
We took them to the owner. He said, I said, these fake tickets? He said, huh? I said, these fake tickets? He said, that's what she said. So, yeah, he said, oh, no, these real. So, basically, she was trying to pocket the money of like a $10 to $20 profit. But guess what? We ended up profiting, and I would think they got into that concert, but I
do too.
and it was going.
It was.
Now, I don't know why the fuck they can't bring them back now. They be, I don't know. Akron, if y'all missed that party, I'm sorry, but it was going. I'll insert some clips that I got, but
yeah, it was going. It was fun.
It was going, but I ain't gonna lie. Everybody looked like a wet fish after. Because it was definitely packed.
It was definitely definitely packed. But when Saturday Baby came, it seemed like it got super dumb packed because everybody was all up on each other trying to get close to him. Like,
and there wasn't nowhere to even go. He had 20 niggas on the little ass stage.
Bro, he had not 20, he had 4,000 niggas on the little ass stage.
They was all in the DJ.
And they was all
sitting on the speakers.
They was all dancing, bro. If you wanted to get a video of him from the right side, you couldn't, because all his niggas were dancing. You had to be caught in the middle. The right and the left. They was on both sides of him. He was in the middle.
He was in the middle. But guess what? I got them videos.
I got my videos.
Cause I ain't looking out no more, so you ain't fucking with me. You don't wanna see me making no more since you ain't coming with me. And when